Hi friends, welcome to yet another part of HGTV. We have been showcasing the property options around Delhi. So far, we have showed you options in Noida and Greater Noida. And today, we will take you to Gurgaon, Delhi's corporate neighborhood. Gurgaon has a distinction of being the corporate hub, and that is why it has seen surge in property market. There are too many builders, big and small, who want to make most of this surge. Today we will see another address in Gurgaon which is being developed by big names in property market, and it's called Golf Course Road Extension. We believe that buying a property in Golf Course Extension will be a good prospect because of its location. Golf Course Extension Road is the only road in Gurgaon which will be much more planned with no villages and slums nearby. Also, proposed metro when comes will be a great advantage. Roads are wide and straight, and Aravali Hills are in the backdrop. Out of the many big names like IREO, MRMGF, Tata Housing and BPTP, M3M is also building a residential property here. In terms of facilities and accessibility, M3M is better located. Airport is almost 30 minutes drive, and prominent schools like Heritage, Scottish High, Pathways, GD Goenka, Sri Ram are in close proximity. Nearby hospitals are like Max, Artemis, Medicity and Fortis. Talking about the builder, M3M is a 25-year-old company which has almost 650 acres of land bank in Gurgaon only. This is their first project as builders. One look at the project and you will know that M3M is leaving no stone unturned to make this address one of the most luxurious and sought after. The property is ideally located at Golf Course Extension Road. Right opposite to this is Nirvana Country, which is quite an expensive property and where villas cost around 5 to 6 crores. Also, Unitex Close can also be seen from M3M's project. Spread over 75 acres of land, this property is called Golf Estate. This project is being developed in L shape and will have close to 1800 units. The builder is developing a 9-hole executive golf course designed by Graham Cook, and as you can see, one hole has already been developed to give buyers a feel of it. Since this property has a golf course, builder has made sure that each apartment gets a golf course view, and also the game remains uninterrupted, for which all the apartments are started from second level upwards, offering continuous view of golf even while driving or walking. The height of this slit is kept 25 feet, and there are stilt plus 6, stilt plus 14 and stilt plus 26 story towers in this condominium. Right now there are 3 and 4 BHK simplex and duplex style apartments. The size of these apartments vary from 3,605 square feet to 4,715 square feet, and builder is offering 72% loading. Customers get 81 types of layouts to choose from. Also, 110% of the total land is left for green, and concrete development is only on 15% of the land. Builder is making jogging tracks on the rooftops so that joggers can enjoy a pollution-free run. The high-rise buildings will have all the basic amenities so that residents can get the maximum convenience. There are 6 iconic towers, and entrance of each building opens up in an innovation of luxury and design. The balconies of all the apartments are very spacious that they can be used as an entertaining area of your own house. These balconies have bamboo made slides that are movable, making the facade of each tower different whenever you look at it. The main highlight of the project are its landscapes and water bodies. Each apartment comprises of a family lounge, a powder room, kitchen area and master bathroom with 5 fixtures etc. to name a few. This condominium will have a club with approximately 1 lakh square feet in area and will also house a commercial club which will be 3 stories and have 7-star rooms. Also, to enter this property, there are total 7 entries, out of which 3 are the main entries. The main entries will have beautiful lotus pond to give visitors and residents a feel of greenery they would be enjoying in the rest of the property. Golf carts can be used to commute within the property. So if you wish to own a house in this close to nature condominium, then please call us on the numbers on your screen. Till the next time, this is Tanvi saying goodbye.